girl, them pretty, pretty. European girl, them pretty, pretty. London girl, them pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Color Me Creative. Please go ahead and click subscribe and that like button. This is a real quick video, guys. So let's get into it. So first you start off with this pattern and you need 4 pieces. So we're going to cut 2 pieces of each pattern to make 2 sides of your corset top. So next I cut out my pieces and now I'm connecting them with my pins. And once you connect them with your pins, they should look like this, and that's how you're going to sew a straight stitch down. So you're going to flip it, once you're done pinning, you're going to flip it back around, and then you're just going to sew those pieces together. So I'm going to sew it right now. And you're just going to do a quick straight stitch down all 8 of your pieces. Right here I'm just working on 1/2 of the top first, and then you're going to see me then connect the other half. So here I am connecting the rest of the top together, the other 4 pieces. And then once you do that, your top should look like that. You're now just going to sew straight lines along on the front of the corset, just a little bit over from where the original stitch that you did from the back is, so it could kind of have, like, you normally could put binding in that area, but we're not going to put binding here, but you can. Some people use zip ties to put in there, but that's another story for another day, honey. So once you complete sewing your lines down the whole thing, this is what it's going to look like. So we're all set here. Now you're going to work on pinning the perimeter of your whole entire corset. So I did that on the top and the bottom. And then you're just going to do a straight stitch on the top and the bottom. I decided to use a double needle to give it more of a official look, but you can do just a straight stitch and it will still be fine. Like, it will still look good, you will still slay. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect, but just know you'll look great. So now I'm just adding in my zipper that I took from an old project. Hey, why not reuse your stuff? And I'm just going to add that to the back of the corset, but that's optional. You could actually just sew it together since it's stretch fabric. You can sew it right together and you'll be good. I will say if you do need to make any special alterations, you can by just doing, like, taking it in just a little bit, but other than that, if you measure your bust size correctly, you should be fine. And this is how it will look. And here goes the sleigh, guys. So rocking it with some pants, little hat, okay. And there you go. Corset top, quick, nice and easy.